Perplexity Pages and Perplexity Labs. If you're a journalist, content creator, or anyone who deals with information, you need to know about these. We're talking about a truly transformative AI tool today on Journalism AI Toolkit. I'm your host, Tim Inkelbarger, and today we're diving into how these features let you transform raw information into structured, shareable articles. You might know Perplexity AI is a high powered search engine that gives you concise, cited responses, but Perplexity Pages, this elevates your content creation workflow significantly. Think of it like this: instead of just getting an answer, you're getting a fully laid out brief. It's like building your own internal knowledge base or AI powered wiki, all powered by Perplexity's cutting edge AI research. Here's where it gets even more exciting. We're not just talking about turning simple searches into pages. Today, I'm going to show you how to take incredibly detailed, multifaceted reports generated by Perplexity Labs, a powerful experimental feature within Perplexity Pro, and seamlessly convert them into polished, professional Perplexity pages. The synergy between these two AI writing tools and Perplexity Pro is truly remarkable, allowing you to go from complex data analysis to publish ready content with unprecedented speed and efficiency. This is the ultimate journalism AI toolkit combination. So let's jump right into it, and I'll show you exactly how to unleash the full potential of Perplexity Pro by turning your lab's reports into impactful Perplexity pages. We're going to start off today in Perplexity Pro, and I highly suggest giving Perplexity Pro a try. It's $20 a month, but you get a lot of features. And one of the things, if you didn't know, that I love about Perplexity is that you can choose the model that you want to search with. So, for instance, if you want to use Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini, or Sonar, which is Perplexity's search engine, or you can just leave it on best and Perplexity will do the make the decision for you essentially. Um, there are also some functions in Perplexity, um, like deep research and Perplexity Labs. And that's where we're going to start off today. In Perplexity Labs, this creates highly graphic reports for you. It's sort of like deep research with graphics and charts and images and so forth. So after you finish a Perplexity Labs report, you'll end up with a very graphic page that looks like a web page. You can use these for a lot of different uses essentially, but I like to create them and just have them as a reference. Of course, I always give the caveat that you need to check all of the sources and all of the details before you believe them. Perplexity and all these AI tools have a tendency to hallucinate, as they say. So you definitely want to check your work and not just believe what you get. I'm going to start off today with a financial report on Kroger. It's one of the supermarket companies that I cover for my job at Supermarket News. I've already written that prompt, and you can just paste it in here, click on this button. This is the Labs button. And here's the prompt, and I'll put this in the description of the YouTube video as well. You are a highly skilled financial analyst specializing in the U.S. grocery industry. Prepare a professional illustrated report that highlights key findings from Kroger's most recent quarterly earnings report filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Focus on major changes in financial performance, operational trends, and strategic initiatives. Use a variety of charts and graphics to bring the report to life and make the data engaging and accessible. The report should be visually rich, concise, and suitable for an executive audience seeking actionable insights. Make it easy to understand. And one of the things that you can also do with Perplexity, which is pretty great, is you can go down here and click Finance, and that will link you up to the SEC database of financial report filings. So we'll just go here and run the report. It says it's going to be about 9 minutes here, but I've already run the report. And here's the response. It's got a lot of images, it's got some charts and data and graphs and so forth. I'm not going to go back and check all of this now. I noticed that it made a video that doesn't work, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But one of the differences between these reports and others is it has a place where it puts all of the assets. So all of those charts and graphs throughout the report are available right there. You can download them. It also has a section here that shows you the steps that were taken to create the report. And here are the sources. You'll notice that the first source is from Kroger itself. So there's a lot of web pages. Here's an SEC filing for their most recent financial report. It goes on like this. If you want to transfer it or convert it to a page, just click on this button. And here's the Perplexity page that was created. If you scroll down, you'll notice that a lot of the assets have been removed, but you can add those back in by downloading them and placing them in the Add Media section. You just click on this. Another thing you can do is click on the Layout button here and hide the header image or show it. You can also rewrite the intro by clicking Edit. I'm going to leave it like it is for now. And each one of these sections can be adjusted. You'll notice that in each section, it shows the source list. But I can also go in and edit this to make it more detailed or more concise. We can put the information, in a table. Let's try that right now, based on the information in that section of the report. Again, you're going to have to, go and take a look at all of this stuff after it's done. But let's do this. Let's create a bullet point list and see what that looks like. You can also move sections around. You can either move them down or up, or you can delete the section right here. Once you've got it in a sort of a way that you like it, you can hit preview. And this is basically what it's going to look like to anyone you share it with. And you can share it by going up to publish, hitting publish, and your page is published on your org, it says. So we'll copy the link. Let's go take a look at it in a fresh page here, see what comes up. So here it is. You can bookmark it for later. You can unpublish it here on the three dots. You can copy the link or add it to a space, which is another way of sort of saving it. Now, once you have this created, you can find your page by going to your library. I used an AI YouTube growth tools page I created just to sort of analyze my own YouTube channel here. I have another one here. I was kind of trying some different stuff, but that's essentially it. And once these are created, you can, and they're shared, you can, basically share them with anybody that is on your team, anybody that's connected to this Perplexity account. Again, I believe that both labs and spaces are only for Perplexity Pro users, but I think you can sign up for a free account for maybe it's a few weeks or a month. You would have to look it up, but I know that there's an option to be able to sort of give it a try and see what you think. There are a lot of different uses for these pages as well. I think one of the most useful ways that you can use it really is to just have it as a place to save your searches. Here's another version of the search that I just did. And instead of including the web, I only included sources from the Securities and Exchange Commission. So you'll notice right here for this search, it only came up with 13 sources. And all of these are directly from the SEC. Here are the assets that were created from this report. And this isn't pulling from web pages. I kind of like it like this because you can create documents that are only based on SEC filings. And that's it. That's how you use Perplexity Pages and Perplexity Labs. I feel like I haven't done it justice in terms of its capabilities, but use it more, try it out in different ways, and you will find unique opportunities within these functions. I have found some hallucinations, but by and large, I feel like Perplexity has gotten a lot better in terms of accuracy. So, give it a shot. Tell me what you think. We are almost up to 70 viewers at this point, which is incredible. And my last post got several hundred views. I'm not sure if the algorithm just picked me up or what's going on. It's all kind of black box mystery to me on how YouTube videos are promoted. But hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will keep more videos coming to you. Thanks a lot, y'all. See you next time.